Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You already have the essentials: the WF-1000XM5, its case, and your phone with Bluetooth on. Put both earbuds in the case and open the lid. This wakes them and triggers pairing mode. Make sure the headphones app is installed because you'll use it for presets and firmware. On your phone, keep Bluetooth visible. Once the case is open and the LED blinks, go to Bluetooth settings to find WF-1000XM5 and prepare to connect. You should now see WF-1000XM5 in your device's Bluetooth list. Tap it to pair. When pairing completes, open the Sony Headphones Connect app to finalize permissions and let the app configure features like ANC and speak to chat. Make sure left and right audio balance is correct by playing a short test sound. Adjust fit for seal if ANC seems weak. If firmware updates appear, install them now. Updates resolve many connectivity quirks and improve stability. Now customize EQ, adaptive noise control, and touch controls in the app so the earbuds behave how you want. Test with a call and streaming audio to confirm microphone and latency performance. If connection fails or audio drops, reset the earbuds. Put them in the case, hold the pairing button, or follow the reset steps in the manual, then repair. One quick troubleshooting tip: reboot your phone and rerun pairing after a firmware update.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.